Okay. Let's see. Julio Zapata says, question for Multi and Shadow. Are you two treat each other like brothers? I mean, he called me adorable. I don't think that's something that a brother would say.
Shut up! Wait, what?
I'm just saying.
You adorable?
Yes, you didn't hear that? Oh, right, you were away.
Yeah, that's kind of cute. Anyway.
Hey, calm it down there, Shadow. Calm it down there.
Yeah,
All
down.
Joking.
Let's
There's
see
a
when
question
we meet
in
next.
the chat
Spark.
from Names Aplenty. You should read it.
So when's the first date you two? Oh my god. Come on, man.
Wait, what?
Why did I have a feeling that this... Me and Shadow...
You know what? Just because people are basically teasing me about this, I'm just gonna go ahead and ask this. Hey, Sonic, you wanna go out for dinner sometime?
It's literally... Check the chat. Check the chat. Everyone is saying hashtag multi-sonetto. It's just dinner. For sake. Now people can stop.